Welcome back. We're looking at the wireless Apple CarPlay in the 2022 Ram 2500 Power Wagon. My name is Rich. This vehicle sits on the lot of Jones Junction Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. Let's get started. Welcome to the interior. The first step in syncing your wireless Apple CarPlay is going to Vehicle, then touching Phone Bluetooth, then touching the Device Manager, then adding the device, and at that time it's going to be searching for your Bluetooth. Make certain your phone's on, and then go to Bluetooth in the settings, and then once it comes up you just tap it and it'll be connecting shortly, and then just hit yes and pair and then allow. What's really awesome about this Ram Power Wagon is the screen is much larger than you'd see on any of the trucks out there in the market. And it's right now loading, and there you have it. Full screen. Fantastic. And that's just one more reason to check out this 2022 Ram Power Wagon here at Jones Junction Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram.